Okay, there's our home for tomorrow. Site 19 at WP Franklin. It's blessed with a little dove. Okay, there's 19 and 20 and 21. Then there's the library. Then there's the check-in gate, or the dump station. It's where you do your business. And then there's the comfort station.
I like that little bench they have right there. That lights up at night.
Oh, and a nice little bench to sit on.
Seen that at night?
No.
Yeah, it lights up.
Okay, that concludes my tour of Site 19 and 20 pull-throughs. There's actually 19, 20, and 21. And both of them are plenty long.